So this is a instant power hair clog remover for sinks, tubs, shower heads, whatever. I bought this. It's less than $4 for probably a gallon. Because I have this very very stubborn clog that always comes back. I'll show you guys. So I haven't used the sink for the whole day, and every time I turn it on, it just starts to have standing water like very quickly, to a point that that I think it definitely needs to get fixed permanently. So I bought this from Walmart, again less than $4. Today we're gonna actually put it to test and see if it's gonna fix this clogging problem. Okay, I'll show you guys really quick. So it's coming back up, now it's clogged. And when I turn off the water, it actually doesn't go away for a long time. I don't know what's going on. I already tried Drano multiple times. Drano doesn't fix it. So let's see today if the instant power hair clogger, clog remover, is gonna fix it. And they said, 100% money back if it doesn't fix it. So why not? I have my receipt, so we'll see. Again, as you can see, the water is actually returning really slowly. If you look over here, kind of hard to focus, you can see the water is going down really slowly. I never put any hair, I never have even any hair in here. When I bought the house, the sink is like this. So I assume the previous owner probably did something horrible to the sink. That's why it's not draining properly. Even with Drano treatment, it's not working. Okay, so we're gonna let this water drain down, and then we're gonna actually pour half a gallon of those in here, leave it overnight. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna just flush it and see if things go as well as advertised, or if this thing is just gimmick, just like the Drano. So I will see you in a little bit when the water drains and we pour it down the drain. Alright, because this is some really corrosive stuff, make sure you wear your glove, okay? And don't let it splash onto your bathroom stuff. Be very careful. Still have a plastic cover on the bottom. Man, that's such an effort to take it out. Alright, so I already got some on the hand. Just be really careful, okay? I'm gonna pour half a bottle of this, which is half a gallon, according to the instruction, and we're just gonna let it sit overnight, and tomorrow morning we're gonna take a look and see if the drain's cleared or not. Hopefully it is. Well, you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna use the whole bottle because it's clogging really bad. Okay? So let's wait till tomorrow, see what's going on. Good morning. So it's the morning time now. Let's see the instant power hair clog, if it did its job or not. I'm gonna turn on the hot water and just let it run. So far it hasn't clogged yet, and water just keeps dropping down. So I would say yes, it probably did its job. So is it 100% money back if it fails? It won't. So definitely, if you have a clogged drain or sink, give this a try. So I tried the Drano right here. I tried this before. It kind of works for like a couple minutes, and then the drain would get clogged again. And in the long run, we'll have to actually see how long this one keeps before the drain gets clogged again. And again, I rarely use the sink, or I rarely put any kind of hair or dirty stuff in here. So I'm assuming it's probably something down there from previous owner that caused the clog up. But only time will tell. Okay. If you guys have any questions about the drain cleaner, the instant power hair clog remover, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I should have more similar contents coming out for you guys. Okay, so thanks again, and take care.